Good morning, Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk showing you my micro future trade today. For today, the MNQ, the micro future, the NASDAQ index. It is 7/20/26, 11:35 a.m. Pacific time. As you can see, our trading is stopped right here. Daily P&L limit reached, trading stop. That means this strategy. By the way, I'm trading a 90-second bar today on this strategy. That means this strategy hit its max P&L, okay? It hit over 800 ticks per contract. We're trading two micro futures. Shout out to the micro traders, okay? Two micros today, 825, over 800 ticks per contract. This is the daily candlestick right here. I like to call attention to something on the daily candlestick that I look at. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and expand this out. Okay, and one of the things that I look at is oftentimes when you have a trend line like this that gets bounced up through where it really hasn't reached its fullness, I find that oftentimes it wants to hit the backside of this trend line. And coincidentally, we have set up a possible double top on the daily. Here it is right here. Here's the one top, okay, and creating space here. Here's the second top area, creating some space here. And if we measured that double top and came down, we actually would hit the reverse side of that trend line somewhere. So nobody knows the next tick of the market. I can't emphasize that enough. I don't know. Nobody knows, okay? If anyone tells you they do, they're telling you a tall story, right? A big fish story. So no one knows the next tick of the market. Many people try, but no one knows it. I just want to call this out on the daily because I don't see that often. Okay, so there it is. All right. If it were to do that, by the way, no one knows the timing of such an event. Okay, so no one knows the next tick of the market. Let's see the trades that we did take. Okay, as you know, we traded two micros today. This is our result. More than 800 ticks per contract. Ask yourself as a trader, my friends, when was the last time you got 800 ticks per contract day trading a future? Some would say probably never, okay? As you can see, we're getting it on a regular basis, okay? On a regular basis, we're getting it. So let's take a look at the trades. And how are we getting it? We're getting it with automatic trading, okay? So I'm going to come back in time now. I'm going to come back in time so we can see these trades, okay? Let's come back here to the very first trade. Here we go. That's the first trade last night. Boom, right there. Okay. We went long and hit target. The green line goes to the target. That's where we hit target with 2. Long entry with 2. Okay. Here, short entry with 2. Stopped out, didn't we? Okay. So we have a target and a stop. Okay. And we're moving forward now. I see we have another stop, okay, right here, boom, okay, where we stopped out, okay. Then we have what? We have a long entry and we hit target, okay. So we have a long entry and we hit target, and then a short entry hit target, okay, and then the next one was a stop. I can see that right now. Here's the stop, here's the target, here's the target, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so amazing automatic trading. This was our last trade. This is where we came to today. Automatic bracket orders, automatic P&L management, automatic trade management, automatic entry, automatic time management, automatic everything. Okay, I'm in a 90-second bar candlestick on this chart today. Okay, but shout out to the micro traders. Amazing and remarkable automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.